It's a 2018 Cadillac ATS sedan. With its masterful blend of power, handling, and luxury, this ATS sedan was built for the enthusiastic driver. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, active grille shutters, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sports suspension, Cadillac Q external memory control, manual telescoping steering column, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.